This is me starting this journey all over again after 3 years. If you want me to bring my husband to the channel, just let me know in the comments. I will also randomly pick any of the comments and feature your post in my next video. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is me saying this again after 3 years. Like, hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my channel. That was how I sounded. Let me just play this video for you to see. See?
Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel.
This was how I sounded 3 years ago when I uploaded my first video. I was scared. I was and now 3 years later I'm doing this. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Rachael Naabon. No, I'm not Rachael Naabon again. I'm Rachael Bryan, formerly Rachael Naabon. We are still the same person. It's just a change of surname. So if you see Rachael Bryan, just know it's your favorite girl. So this is me starting this journey all over again after 3 years. This is me starting YouTube all over again after 3 years. Channel has really experienced growth for the past 3 years. So far we've been able to grow up to 7,000 subscribers, 7,000 beautiful souls. Like, the way you guys took me on this channel made me feel so special. Thank you. Please, I'm dropping a hug. Just comment hug, H-U-G, hug, and also give this video a like so I will know you received my hug. You guys have been amazing for this past 3 years, and it's something that I love so much. So why am I starting a YouTube channel in 2025? Why am I starting? Why don't I just continue with what I've been doing? Over the years, I noticed that I was just everywhere. Though when I started this channel, I didn't start with a niche, right? I just knew that I needed a platform where I could express myself, and YouTube was that platform. And I was also told that is for it has long lifespan. I didn't start YouTube because my friends were doing YouTube or family members were doing YouTube. I did the research and I came here on my own, alone. Like, my first videos, my friends were laughing. They were laughing at everything. My makeup, my voice, my editing, everything. They were laughing at me, but I didn't give up. So I came in with the idea that, okay, YouTube, you can make money on YouTube, but I didn't know how. I have to research, which I also made money before YouTube monetization. And that is what I teach people now. How you can make money while you're waiting to meet 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. I teach people how to do that because I made money before YouTube paid me. Like, I made more than what YouTube paid me on this YouTube, on my channel. So that is what I teach people. So coming in, I didn't know how, but I knew there was something like that. And I came in, I started with my China importation. I was doing China importation before I started my YouTube channel. So I came in with China importation training, and to an extent, it looked like my videos are more of China importation, which was not what I wanted, right? I wanted to teach about business, starting a business and growing business online, and also working from home, because that is what I do now full time. But my channel was now looking like it's more of China importation something, which wasn't bad because I love doing it. But that was not the original plan of this channel. The original plan of this channel was for me to teach people how to start and grow a sustainable business, how to leverage social media for their businesses, like how to start, grow, and also the rest. Not only business owners, content creators too, but I wasn't getting that. So that is the reason why I'm starting all over again in 2025, right? Because I want to rebrand. Like I said, I'm not creating a new channel. We are rebranding here. So expect more content on this channel. Right now, I know my focus. But when I came, I knew nothing. When I came, I started with no mic, no tripod. My tripod was my book stack to the level I wanted with a bottle. And is that bad? But thank God for growth, right? We now have some of these gears, and right now too, I have my content pillars, and I know my audience. So I'm not creating content for everybody. I'm creating content for those that want to start their business, grow their business, and take their businesses to the next level. I'm also creating content for those that are ready to start their content creation journey, right? Specifically YouTube, right? If you want to grow on YouTube, on TikTok, that is what I do. So I'm building a community of digital entrepreneurs and content creators working from home. Right now, this is my space, this is my office, and this is where I work from. I need people like this, people like me that are working from home. If you're like that, please drop a comment, because we need each other. You need me, I need you. Let's grow together, because there is a downtime to this business that we are in. Right, there's a downtime to this career, the time that you need someone to lift you up, and you also need to talk to someone about how they should go about it. So I'm creating a community for that. Just drop a comment, just drop your niche, drop your niche as a comment. So if you're into mom lifestyle, you drop it. If you're into e-commerce, you drop it. Affiliate marketing, all of that, just drop it in the comments. Let's connect, right? I will also randomly pick any of the comments and feature your post in my next video. Either any of your social media posts. If you're a YouTuber, I can feature your channel. If you are not a YouTuber, you can give me any of your handle. So if you want to reach me, Rachael Bryan is my handle on all social media platforms. Rachael Bryan. So if you go to Instagram, should be the best place, so we don't get confused. So just send me a DM on Instagram, and I will feature you in my next video. Then also, I've also created a platform to hear from us, right? So under any of my videos, you can drop a comment on the kind of video you want me to make, and I will do that. Then just share my video on your story, tag me, and I will give you a shout out on my channel. So 2025 and beyond, I'm looking at growing with other content creators, right? So I don't want to do it alone. Over the years, I've been doing it alone, and right now I'm open for collaboration. You can just, as you're watching this video, do a screen record and post on your story and tag me. Then I will give you a shout out. I'll try as much as possible to post consistently twice a week. If it's too bad, once a week. But just know that every week I'm going to be dropping a video for you. We are in for a serious business. So this is what you should expect from this channel and our contents too. There are things that you will enjoy. Trust me. I'll also be sharing behind the scenes of what I do, behind the scenes of being a content creator, a digital entrepreneur, and behind the scenes of being a wife. I forgot to add that I'm not a wife, so expect family too. If you want me to bring my husband to the channel, just let me know in the comments. Then I will convince him that my race stars want him on our channel. So just drop a comment, let me know if you want me to bring him. But if I don't see any comments, then he is not coming to this channel. You go to our couple channel, The Breachers, and see him there. But if you guys want to see him, I'm going to bring him. I can also invite him as a guest on this channel, because you guys, you can't wait to hear what he has to say to content creators and entrepreneurs. Okay, I didn't mention I'm going to also have some guests on my channel. So once in a while, I'll invite some entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs to the channel, content creators to the channel. Let them share with us their journey and how they've been so far. So these are many more that you're going to see on this channel. What else? Race stars. So you are a race star because you belong to this community. So all my community members are known as race stars. I can't be saying hello guys. No, I cannot say hello guys, because I know the people I'm talking to. So I'm going to call you by your community name, which is race star. Hey race stars, if you see me anywhere, race star, and we are fine. We are fine. So I think there are other things that if I can't remember now, in subsequent time, we can still share on this channel. But just know that I am back to take us on this journey of content creation, business, working from home, making money online. We are in for it, and lifestyle vlog. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome. So I have to stop here. I also have another video to make, and this video is for those that are interested in YouTube. So if I'm to start YouTube all over again, here are what I will do. So come see my strategies on what I'm doing to get my views and subscribers now. See you in the next one. Bye.